Hey everybody, I'd like to introduce to you a very affordable meat thermometer. This thing comes with 6 probe holders. You get 6 meat probes. If you look here, those look like they're plastic in the picture, but they're not. That's all aluminum. Very nicely constructed. It also ranges up to 300 feet away. It works with any Android or Apple products. They have an app store, as you can see here. It has a 200-hour battery life. There's the temperature ranges that you could go in here. You have a magnetic mounting, so you could mount that pretty much anywhere in your grill. This here is the Wi-Fi, or the wireless range here. And of course the app is free. On the other side, you have where it takes the LCD display, which is right here. Very nice large screen. You have 2 viewing positions. Obviously multi-channel. Requires 2 AAA batteries. Also, like I said before, compatible for any of your brand phones that you have. Well, I'd like to show you what I really like about this. You get a case with it, okay? So actually a heavy duty case. Of course, they give you a card here. So let's go ahead and open it up and let's see what we got. Now look at this. This is what you'll receive when you get it brand new in the box. Here you'll see your 6 meat holders. Very simple to use. You just pop it out, take one of your rods here, and you slip it through and set it on your grates, and man, you can monitor not only meat temps, but your grill temps and all that, which is very handy when you're cooking meat. Here is the display. And I did not put batteries in it yet, I don't believe. Probably should have done, but there is your battery case. There's all your presets, everything there. This is where you put your probes in. And if you look closely here, you'll see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they're numbered on each side so you can keep track of which one. And not only is that the only way you could keep track, you could take these meat probes, which comes with a very nice cable management system. I really like that. This way you could keep everything in order. You just pop this out here, unwind it, and pop it right out. And as I said before, that is aluminum, that is not plastic. That way you could color code your meat however you want, which is very nice. And of course you get 6 of them, all in a very nice case. You could bring this anywhere you want. I like it for traveling, when I'm doing cooks and everything. Very easy to put back in place. You just go like that after you wash them. And just a little tip, try not to get water inside there. I don't think those are waterproof, and a lot of people have a problem with any kind. I don't care if you pay $225 or $500. When you get these ends wet, they will ruin the sensor. So be careful when you're drying it. Take a paper towel, put it over top of this. Just clean this part here. You can clean this. Just try to keep that as dry as you can. Just to put it back, you just slip it through the hole, pull it back, and then you just wind it up. Very simple, easy to use. And just slip that in like that. And there you go. Then you're in business. So okay guys, and also you get your instruction manual, whatever like things you want to add here inside this pouch. Alright guys, stick around, because I'm going to be doing some cooks on my YouTube channel, which is Joe's Barbecue House, using this meat thermometer. You guys, thanks for watching and have a great day.